Good morning, dear students. Students, as we have already discussed about the circle. Okay, now today I am going to start exercise 17b of your book. Now let's see how to do these fill-ups. Okay, now here you have given fill in the blanks. A part, every point on a circle is at the same distance from the dash. Students, as we have discussed about these circles in my previous video that the distance of any point on the circle from the center is equal. बेटा मैंने आपको बताया था ना जो ये सर्कल है इस सर्कल का डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम दिस सेंटर टू द सर्कल to this circle that is same. Okay, the every point on a circle is at the same distance from the center. Okay, so here we will write center. Okay, CENTRE. Now see next part. Here you have given a diameter is equal to dash into radius. Dash radius. Okay, here there is not given multiplication. Here you have given only a diameter is equal to dash radius. Okay, students, as we have discussed that see this is radius. Okay, if I increase this is also radius. Okay, this is the center and this is also radius. So diameter will become r plus r, means 2 times r. Okay, 2 times r means radius. Okay, so a diameter is equal to 2 multiplied by radius. Okay, 2 times radius. Okay, now see next. Here you have given the entire length of a circle is its dash. We have already done this. The entire length of a circle, see, entire length of this circle is its circumference. Okay, so here we will write circumference. Means this is the parameter of the circle. Okay, beta, circumference. Okay, now the next part is the diameter of a circle is 1 centimeter. Its radius is, beta you have given the diameter and you have to find out the radius. Okay, now see, this is the radius, this is the radius. Okay, now here you have given diameter of a circle and you have to find out the radius. Beta see this, diameter is equal to 2 times radius, but we have to find the radius. So what you will do? We will divide it by 2. Okay, we will divide diameter by 2. Okay, now see, the diameter of the circle is 1 centimeter, so its radius is 1 upon 2. Okay beta, half. It will become half ना. अगर हमें पूरा का पूरा अगर हमें ये पूरा डायमीटर 1 सेंटीमीटर गिवन है तो हमें रेडियस निकालना है, तो हम रेडियस का क्या करेंगे, इसका हाफ करेंगे. ओके, सो दिस विल बिकम 1 अपॉन 2 सेंटीमीटर और यू कैन राइट 0.5 सेंटीमीटर. ओके बेटा, 0.5 सेंटीमीटर मीन्स 5 मिलीमीटर, बट यू कैन राइट 0.5 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, नाउ सी नेक्स्ट इज 0.5 centimeter. Now the next is the radius of a circle is 50 centimeter. Its diameter is, beta in case of this we have given the radius. Now we have given the radius and we have to find out the diameter. So what you will do? We will multiply by 2. Okay, so given radius is multiplied by 2. So diameter is equal to 2 times radius na, and 2 multiplied by what, that is 50 centimeter. Okay, 50 centimeter. So after multiplication we will get 100 centimeter. Okay, so you can write, and 100 centimeter is also equal to 1 meter. Okay, you can write here 100 centimeter, or you can write here 1 meter. Both are correct. Okay beta. Now next see, write true or false. Okay. Now here you have given a line segment joining the center of a circle to a point on it is called a dash. बेटा a line segment joining the center of the circle. जो लाइन आपकी सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल से पास होती है तो वो क्या होता है बेटा, वो इसे हम क्या कहते हैं, डायमीटर कहते हैं ना. एंड हियर यू हैव गिवन a line segment joining the center of the circle to a point on it is called a chord. So this statement is false. Okay. So we will write here false. Next is a chord that passes through the center of a circle is a diameter. A chord, if a chord that passes through the center of the circle is a diameter. Yes, it is true na. The chord that passes through the center, okay, of a circle is a diameter. Yes, it is true. Because diameter always passes through the center of the circle. Okay, so this is true. This statement is true. Now next, a diameter divides a circle into two halves. Yes beta, I have told you na that a diameter divides a circle into two halves. See beta, this is the diameter na, and this divides a circle into two halves. This is also two halves means one semicircle. Semicircle means half of the circle. Okay. So this statement is also true. So I will write here true. Okay. Next is a circle of radius 1 centimeter is smaller than a circle of radius 9 millimeter. Beta, we have already done about the measurement. So centimeter is smaller term or bigger term to the millimeter. Beta, centimeter is bigger than millimeter. Okay. So a circle of radius is 1 centimeter is smaller than a circle of radius 9 millimeter. Beta, centimeter is bigger term to the millimeter. So this statement is false because a circle of radius 1 centimeter is bigger than a circle of radius 9 millimeter. Okay. So this statement is false. बेटा सेंटीमीटर जो होता है वो ग्रेटर टर्म होती है, बिगर यूनिट होती है, और जो मिलीमीटर होता है वो स्मॉलर यूनिट होती है. तो बिगर यूनिट अगर डिजिट उसका कम भी आ रहा है तो दैट इज बिगर एंड दी स्मॉलर यूनिट millimeter is smaller unit and the digit is bigger, so it's okay, but this digit should be smaller and this digit should be greater. Okay. Now next is a circle has only one diameter. Beta, you can see this is a circle and this circle has this diameter and this circle has this diameter also. Okay. Whether it is horizontal, whether it is vertical, and this has this diameter. Okay. This has this diameter. So this circle has more than one diameter. Okay. So this statement is also false. A circle has only one diameter. This statement is false. Okay beta. I hope you have cleared this exercise, and that's all for today. Thank you and have a great day.